Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mix stone art and turn it into an air dried clay. It's very easy, so here we go, let's get started. Powertex comes in a range of colours, so you can choose what coloured clay you're actually going to make. So in this instance, I'm going to use the bronze Powertex, which is a really great colour to start with for making your clay. The first thing you need to do is ensure when you open your bottle, get a stirring stick and give it a really good stir. Once you have stirred it, take off the excess Powertex with a brush and then put the lid back on and actually shake your Powertex well. Once that's done, you're ready to put your Powertex out. So we need a mixing bowl. These salad bowls are perfect. It's a good size. Essentially, you're going to use 1 part Powertex to 1 part stone art. And we're going to need approximately the same amount of stone art as we've got Powertex liquid out. So I never really measure it. I just do it by eye, really. And then I've got a mixer that I can actually just mix that in with. And it is a little bit like cooking. So for those of you who've made bread doughs or cake mixes or anything like that, it's very, very simple. I always start with the Powertex first and then add the stone art clay to it. So you can see how the stone art is getting absorbed into that liquid and it's getting firmer and firmer to actually mix together. Once it's at this sort of consistency, you'll find that you need to fold it more. Once the clay is at this point and it's not too sticky, you can actually get your hands in there. I'll just put some latex gloves on. So now I can actually get in there and pick that stone art clay up and push it into the dry mix. And I just keep moulding that in until it stops being sticky and it's a nice consistency. So literally like making a bread dough where you would not want it too sticky and not too dry either. Alright, so once I've done that, I've now got a piece of clay that I can work the stone art into until it's a nice consistency. I find the easiest way to work the powder through and the fastest way is to actually rub it between your 2 hands. So just a little tip for you, if it is a little bit dry, dampen your hands and then work your damp hands into the clay and you'll find that it becomes a nice consistency. So I keep working that clay until you can't see any of that white powder in the clay at all. So I end up with a ball of clay that I can keep for up to 6 months in an airtight container. So I can pull that out and it's ready to use. So you can see the difference. Once it's made, it's got none of the powder showing anywhere in it, and it's a really nice consistency, ready to mould and use in your artwork. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed that today and that you've learnt something. The stone art clay is awesome. There are so many different things that you can do with it. It's really, really versatile, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So I always have some mixed up ready to use so that if I am creating, I can just get started and pull it out and get going. If you have enjoyed today's video and you've learnt something from it, then be sure to subscribe to the Powertex Australia channel on YouTube. I look forward to seeing what you create. Make sure you post your creations so we get to see them. Ciao for now. Enjoy.